Jacob was no stranger to challenges. With an insatiable appetite for puzzles, he found solace in the way each piece fit together to form a larger picture. When he stumbled upon a 1,000-piece puzzle that promised to be his greatest challenge yet, he eagerly accepted. Weeks turned into months as Jacob meticulously sorted, studied, and pieced together the intricate puzzle. There were moments of frustration when sections seemed impossible to connect, and doubts crept in about his ability to conquer this complex enigma. Yet, he was undeterred. Each piece he placed was a small victory, a reminder that every step, no matter how small, brought him closer to his goal. Jacob's determination was unwavering. He established a routine, spending hours every day hunched over the puzzle, seeking patterns and scrutinizing each shape. He realized that success wasn't about speed, it was about embracing the process, no matter how long it took. As the months went by, the once scattered pieces began to align. Patterns emerged, and what had seemed chaotic started to form a coherent image. Jacob's focus never wavered. He knew that success required not only his dedication, but also his belief in his own abilities. And then, one day, it happened. As Jacob placed the final piece into the puzzle, a rush of emotion swept over him. The completed image before him was a testament to his perseverance. Every setback, every moment of doubt, had led him to this triumphant moment. The puzzle was more than just a collection of pieces, it was a metaphor for life's challenges. Jacob realized that success wasn't just about achieving a goal. It was about the journey. He had learned that dedication, focus, and resilience were the keys to unlocking even the most seemingly impossible tasks. The puzzle had taught him that the path to success wasn't always linear. It was filled with twists, turns, and moments of doubt. But those who persisted, like him, could overcome anything. As Jacob sat there, gazing at the completed puzzle, he felt a sense of accomplishment that went beyond the image before him. He had uncovered the true essence of success, a culmination of effort, determination, and the refusal to give up, even in the face of the most challenging puzzles life presented.